Look how cheap this controller is. Look at that. So bad. It was broken. I had to fix it. With hot glue. Glue that piece back. It was so cheap. And there's still more problems with it. So I'm going to fix it on camera. Let's do it. So, I'm just going to clean it. Hold on. Okay, got myself some isopropyl alcohol. Just gonna clean the contacts. Pretty dirty. I see some dirt. I'm gonna clean this part right here. This is where most of the problems are. Yep, everybody. Let's try it off. Try it. Now we're gonna put this back together. Right, putting this in. Oh, this piece just broke off again. Oh my god, hold on. Okay, so I got it back. Now I'm gonna put this all back together now. This goes here. Perfect. And this goes in here. Oops. Oh my god. This is garbage.